Hey there, Kurt the Cyberguy. Just answering a couple of questions. We had on the air this story about Netflix and how they had a bogus Netflix app that hackers had put together, and they were sending it out on third-party websites and through links inside of email. And if you're one of those victims, here are the tips you're going to want to know. First of all, if you've got an iPhone, I'm going to show you, you're okay with this one, but I'm going to show you how to remove it in just a second. And then if you've got an Android, the goal is always download Android apps from the Google Play Store. The people who have fallen victim this time, and by the way, you download this bogus Netflix app, and it's pretty evil. It'll get in there, and it gets in your contact database. It'll reveal all your texts to them, contacts, virtually everything on your phone, gives them control of your camera and the microphone, an utter nightmare. So you want to get rid of it, right? So how do you know if you have this or not? Well, A, you have to remember, did I get it from a link in an email that maybe a friend sent? Or did I find it on some other site other than Google Play? Well, guess what? For most people, they don't know. They don't remember that. So one way to find out if you've got malware on an Android device is simply to use some of the top-rated software that's free. My favorite free ones right here, this would be Lookout. It's called Lookout Security and Antivirus. Already, it's got like millions of downloads on this one. And then my other favorite one is called 360 Security Antivirus. Again, it's free. That's what their logo looks like. And where do you get it? No, not from a link from me or anybody else, but go to Google Play. Get it only from there. That's the key to success in downloading. Now, people who've got an iPhone and you think you might have malware, and it happens a lot because something goes on and you say, well, wait a second, it's not working quite right. It's acting a little funny, right? Well, chances are it's not necessarily malware, but something acting like it, including a pop-up. So go to your main screen. I'll show you how to do this. Hit Settings, and on Settings, you'll scroll all the way down till you see Safari right there. Click Safari, and what you want to do is make sure on this list, block pop-ups. You want to turn that so that's on. Make sure block pop-ups is on. Your next step is to go here and go to Clear History and Website Data, and it'll allow you with this little red link to clear everything out. I don't want to do that right now because I've already cleaned mine out, but the next thing you want to do, at the very bottom, it says Advanced. Click Advanced, go to then at the top, Website Data, and what it's going to do is it's trying to start populating all the websites that I've visited that it's recorded data from. And I'm going to look through the list that shows up, and I'm going to say, what here doesn't belong? Delta, TripAdvisor, Verizon Wireless, those all like innocuous and normal. I remember going to that cooking site, Paperless Post, got an invitation, show all sites. I'm going to go through this and go through this Manta. I'm not sure what that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get rid of it. How do you do it? You swipe to the left, it reveals the delete key, hit delete, and boom, it's gone. Everything else on this list you want to go through. By the way, it's revealing I have a pretty boring life, apparently, as I look at where I go online. But this is a way to get rid of a lot of the pop-ups and sort of sketchy kind of behaving apps that typically are more driven from a visit to a website on your phone rather than an app itself. Generally speaking, when you get an app inside of the Apple App Store or inside of Google Play, you're pretty safe. You're good to go. Keep your software updated. If you think this is valuable, share it with everybody else you know, and I look forward to hearing more questions from you. Thanks for liking this too.